So you want to buy a condo in the city of Surrey, and that's why you came across this video. But how much will it cost you on a monthly basis, and should you buy a 1-bedroom or 2? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it costs to purchase a condo within the city of Surrey in a few different ways. First, I'll show you 1-bedroom units with the minimum down payment and also the same with 20% down. And then I'll show you the exact same thing with 2-bedroom units. And hopefully this video can then help you make a better decision when you're looking for a condo in the city of Surrey. And of course, if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in my local marketplace of Surrey, BC, or the Fraser Valley, please subscribe to this channel to see more videos just like this one and instantly be entered into our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Now let's find out what it costs to own a condo in Surrey, starting off with a 1-bedroom. Average price of a condo in the city of Surrey right now for a 1-bedroom unit is just a hair under $387,000. So what I did is I found this property here that sold right around there, and we're going to say $385,000, and I've done the calculations using the actual taxation and everything in regards to this unit, the actual numbers, and we're going to see what that looks like. So let's say the purchase price for this home is $385,000. The gross taxes is $1,382 each year. However, you're the homeowner and you're going to be living in that property, so you get to deduct your homeowner's grant of $570, making your property tax just over $67 a month. Now the strata fee for this unit is $297, and you're also going to need insurance. And my experience with condo insurance is they're all about $600 a year, so I'm going to say $50 a month towards insurance. Now you're going to have to put down a down payment of $19,250, but your CMHC premium is going to be almost $15,000. So your actual loan amount, even though you bought it for $385,000, is gonna still be over $380,000. Now that puts your actual mortgage at $1,706 per month. Now this could vary, but I'm going to assume that you still have a city utility bill. Sometimes that can be built into your strata fee, but it's very condo dependent. And for a 1-bedroom unit, or for any of these condo units, any multifamily at this point, that bill is $681 a year, or $56.75 a month. On top of that, I'm going to assume that you're going to buy a $100 internet package of some sort, and I'm going to set aside $75 a month for BC Hydro. And you should have $0 for Fortis, because most of these condos, actually, I don't think I've ever found a condo that actually has a Fortis bill. That's more of a townhouse thing. So if I put all that together, your monthly payment all in, everything included, is going to be $2,352.75. Now that may seem like a lot of money and you think it's all going out the door, but you're paying almost $920 a month into principal. So you have to think of that as a deferred savings account, because that is all your money plus future growth. But if you can afford the $77,000 to put 20% down and avoid the CMHC fee, your loan will be as low as $308,000. This puts your mortgage amount down to $1,217 a month. And then all those utilities and strata and all that stuff comes back in. You're going to be sitting at $1,862.75 per month after 20% down, making it a ton easier if you can save the larger down payment. But now your principal per month drops down to just over $575 a month. So you're not paying as much, because what we've done in this example is as soon as you avoid CMHC, you can go to 30-year financing, bringing your payments down a ton. But is that not enough space for you, and you're considering, I have to have a 2-bedroom, maybe I even want to house hack and get a roommate, or I've got a kid, or I need the work from home office space? Well, let's look at 2 bedrooms where the current price sits just over $501,000. So what I did is I went and I found down on 17th Avenue in South Surrey what I would call an average Surrey condo by all measures in the 2-bed, 2-bath category. It sold for exactly $500,000. Now the property tax was over $1,700, and again, you're going to live in it, so you're going to get that exemption of the $570, making your property tax about $95 bucks a month. But strata fees here are higher because you have a bigger unit, therefore you have a bigger unit entitlement. So you're going to pay 427 bucks a month for strata in this particular unit. That can vary. And also remember to add yourself another $50 a month for insurance. Now I'm going to assume that your hydro should not go up. It may go up marginally, but I'm going to assume your hydro and your internet usage and your sewer and water usage is all going to be very much the same. So that amount from the previous calculation stays. So if you're a first-time buyer, you're still avoiding the transfer taxes. So you're going to put down a minimum of $25,000, but the CMHC premium on that at 5% down is $19,000, making your actual loan value $494,000. Now your actual mortgage amount on that is $22,000 per month. However, after you factor in all those utilities and all that other stuff that we've now talked about, your cost of living per month just for your housing is $3,019. But again, don't be too scared by that, because given this plan on a 25-year amortization, you're going to be putting $1,187 a month directly into your pocket. So cost of living is cheaper than rent. That $2,000 a month that you would normally be paying in a rental for a similar unit, that money is still out. However, you're going to take $1,200 and put it in your jeans. You just won't see it until you sell or refinance the property. But let's say you're a good little saver and you've managed to save up the $100,000 to meet the 20% down, and you've still avoided the transfer taxes because it's your first place. Your loan amount is going to be an even $400,000. This puts your mortgage at $1,580 a month, and after utilities and all that stuff is factored in, it costs you $23.8375 per month. But again, to get this number where it is, we've gone back up to the 30-year amortization. So on your first payment, you're only going to have $747 go towards principal. And just so you know how I got all of these calculations, I did use a 2.5% interest rate. Now, some banks are much lower than that, depending on if you qualify for variable or different programs. So I did use the top end, not to try and scare you, but to say, hey, this is kind of a worst case scenario. So there you go. That is what it costs you to live in an average Surrey 1-bed or 2-bedroom apartment each and every month. If you like this type of real estate information, specifically if you're local here in Surrey or the Fraser Valley, please subscribe. Check out a couple of videos while you're here on the channel. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and we'll see you in a couple of days.